Welcome to a filler video. Got the new wheels here, and I got new lips for them. These are 2-inch, they're going up to 3.5-inch, and the rear lips are a 2.5-inch. So those will be the new fronts. So there'll be a 9 and 10 stagger, or 9.5 and 10 stagger. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this apart, cutting it, doing everything that I do to, get these all cleaned up and rebuilt, and you guys will just be here along for the ride. So. I don't know who the fuck put these wheels together, dude, but all this is fucked. Unfortunately, this is where I come to a stopping point because these bolts are nuts, or mixture both. They're just too tight, so I'm gonna let them soak in the PB blaster and then revisit this another day. Like a double cup of lean, pull up on me wrong, cause something with a beat. If I got
a tenor with my team. We got these niggas straight, acting like fiends. Player hating bitches tryna copy my scheme. Shawty can't believe this, used to be a dream. Turn up and get high with the game. I cannot wipe you, I cannot afford range. I'm just tryna pull up, tryna pull a swing. Tryna get on highway 10. Tryna hit your bitch from the back. And I'm tryna knock it out the park, I got no bag. And I'm tryna get real rich, real fast. And I got a nice last beat, nice track. And we gon' run real train, real rap. And I got no motherfucking cap in my rap. My brother with me riding on the pad. It don't even matter cause you heard what fuck we said. And I'm not gon' go back, we keepin' this tape. I don't gotta say nothing, don't gotta say. And she thinks she love me, but she don't love me every fucking day. Came from under, now I'm going like a dream. 808s hitting that midnight like a club. I pop pressure, now they thinking I'm the plug. Keep a 20 for them niggas thinking that they thugs. Keep the money moving like a wheel on the hub. Chose different lane, now my pockets on swell. Please stop asking me when I'm gonna sell. If I get that cat, she gon' give me hell. Turbo on this bitch, no longer taking L's.
Yeah. Already know what the fuck going on, dumb shit. We in the motherfucking studio. I ain't even in that bitch. I'm in Chicago right now, but I'm still in Texas, bitch. Shit still gon' pop, shit still gon' drop. We gon' drop hot shit, we gon' drop cold shit. Fuck y'all niggas. Eat a dick, bitch.
I just realized that the old barrels still have a little bit of silicone on them, so I gotta clean that up before I tighten it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera out because I'm killing battery, and take this apart again, clean it, put it back together. Alright, so I got it back together. That's pretty much how it's gonna look. I haven't done the other one. And I probably won't seal it until like some other time. So that's pretty much for this video, just cause I mean there's no point in dragging it on over a span of days when it's supposed to be just a quick, you know, hang out with me video. So thanks for hanging out with me, but I'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. the road, playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the streets, screwed up with my clique. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God.